back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? So today I'm going out. I'm about to go out now. I want to go pick a way bill. I ordered things from Jumia, and then yeah, that's where I'm going to pick it up. The way bill has arrived, so it's been 2 days now and I need to pick it up. Okay, so that is where I'm going to, you guys. So yeah, I'm going with you guys, and when I come back I'll unbox it with you guys. So let's go. Guys, so I just came back from a Jumia store and I got my parcel. When I get home I will unbox it for you guys to see. Yeah. Hey guys, so it's another day and I want to quickly unbox what I got yesterday, yeah, with you guys. So I got a lot of parcel. I told you guys yesterday that I was going to a Jumia store to pick my way bill, my items, yeah, that I ordered from them. So I got all of them yesterday and I just have one left to get, yeah, but I've picked like all the things I ordered yesterday from Jumia and from other store. Yeah, I picked all of them, so I'm just here to unbox them. See one of them here. Have you seen them? So this is one of the items I got. This is a blender. I've been longing to have it. All the items I got today is from the money I saved last year. So this is like an encouragement to you. If you don't save money, try and save money, okay? You never can tell what you use it to buy. So let me just open this thing. So I got this Pinnacle blender. Yes, this is like a blender and a grinder, commercial grinder, yeah, commercial grinder and blender. Hello. So guys, have you seen what is inside this box? Oh my god, here is the cover and here is the blender. Here is the second one for blending of crayfish and all those stuff. And this is the big one, and the covers, they are inside. Okay, the cover is inside. I've heard a lot about this blender and I went for it because I've heard a lot of good review on them. So hopefully it lasts and it works better. Oh my god, I'm so happy, guys. This is what I've always wanted. This is what I have always wanted. So guys, that's the first thing I ordered. The next items I'll be unboxing is this very one. I've opened it already, yes. And here it is, my wireless microphone. Oh my god, finally. Finally, I have a wireless microphone. You guys know how much I've talked about having a wireless microphone. So finally, I've gotten my wireless microphone. I am so happy. But let me show you guys how it looks like. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh my god, I've not tested it. I'll test it very soon and I hope it works very well. Okay, I hope it works very well. So that is it. I'm so happy, guys. So guys, the next items I'll be opening, I've opened it already. I got it yesterday. I've opened it already. So this is it, food flags for my visitors. Okay, The one I had got spoiled, I think last year. Yeah, since then I've always wanted to have it, so I just got these 3 sets cook flags. Yeah, food flags. Yeah, this is it, guys. So beautiful, so beautiful. Wow. Oh wow, have you seen the design? Have you seen the design? Oh my goodness, you guys, have you seen this? I want to break it though. I might even use it though. I want to break it. So sorry guys, so this is it, and it's so fine, so fine and cute. This is the cover and this is how it looks like. So this one is like the, I think this one is the small one. We have other sets inside. We have 3 sets. We have the small one here. Yeah, so this is the small one, the smallest. Yeah, it is. Then I'm going to open the big one now. Oh my god, don't fall like that. And here is a big one. So it is 3 sets, big, small, and what? It's so fine, eh? So beautiful. You need to see the design of this plate. Oh my god, immediately I saw this, I fell in love with it already because it's looking so fine and matured. Okay, so yeah, don't mind me guys. So it has the cover is there. It has this cover, yeah, for the big one. It's looking so beautiful, and it's from MasterChef. And of course, MasterChef, you guys know, is a very good brand. Yeah, I love buying their products. I love their brand. I love their things because they are good quality. So this is it, guys. I love the design here. It looks so classy, so classy. So classy. I just need to come closer so you can see the color of this. Oh my god, it's looking so beautiful. Plate rack, yeah, it's called plate rack. So this is it. I got it yesterday from a store. So here it is. You can put your plate if you are going out, or you are going out with friends and families, and you want to go with things like drinks, juice. You can just put everything here, put it, zip it, and carry it. And the good thing is that when you come back, you can just fold it, collapse it this way, fold it, and keep it safe for another day. Okay, so I love this a lot because I like going out, so I don't want to be going out with no food or with no items or putting my spoon and my things. I just want to put everything, all my food items and whatever I'm going out with, inside here and carry it. Okay, and carry it. So that was why I got this, and I'll be using it very soon. The inside looks so clean and beautiful. So guys, that is it for this video, and that is it for my unboxing. You guys, the only items I have left is that LED light, rather rechargeable LED light. So I'm just waiting for it to arrive because I really need it. So when it arrives, I'll start making good quality videos for you guys to see. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you watch up to this point and you are yet to subscribe, I don't know what you are waiting for. Please just click that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, turn on your bell notification, okay, so you can always get to see my videos anytime I post them. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.